Hello, my name is Sheila-May from Stitch Clever, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to sew on a button using a sewing machine. You will need some sellotape, some fabric to sew the button onto, a button, something to mark your fabric with, and a pair of scissors. So decide where you want your button to be, make a mark on your fabric and pop your button on top. Take some sellotape and just pop it over the top of the button. Then to prepare your sewing machine, you need to take off the foot. So we're just left with the shank. And if I just turn this around to show you, at the back, there's a little button at the back, a little lever, and I'm pulling it to the side. And then you'll see there that the teeth have dropped down. If your sewing machine doesn't have that facility, sometimes they're here, sometimes they're at the front of the sewing machine. You can sometimes with your sewing machine get a little plastic piece that you can pop over the top. So have a look in your accessory box of your sewing machine. You now need to turn your machine to a zigzag stitch, so I'll do that now. And pop the button underneath. I'm putting the shank of the button, the shank of the foot on top of the button, just behind the holes of the button, centering it just behind the holes. And then I'm going to turn the hand wheel, so not the foot control, the hand wheel, until it goes in to the first part of the button. On my machine it takes a while before it actually does a zigzag stitch, so it goes up and down 2 or 3 times because it's computerized. And then it will start to go across. Now it's just gone across, and I can see that that's going to be too big, so I'm lifting it back up and I'm making the stitch a little bit shorter until it goes into the button. So now I can see it's going in one side and then in the other side. I'll put my foot on the foot control and just do about 4 to 6 stitches, and that's my button sewn on. So take it out, cut off any excess thread from the front and from the back, take the sellotape off, and that's your button sewn on. It takes a little while longer to sew the first one on, but now that you've got it the right stitch length, you can sew on as many as you want very quickly. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Sheila-May from Stitch Clever, www.stitchclever.com, or have a look at me on Facebook, Stitch Clever with Sheila-May. Thank you.